captain on the bridge.
All crew to the assembly area. Both engines, half speed ahead. Full combat alert on the ship. Stand by. Establish visual contact. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Missile launch at target.
It's confirmed.
The target destroyed.
Establishing visual contact.
Half ahead. Establish visual contact. The target is within range. Requesting air support. Base, I'm off the ground. Standing by. range.
Establishing visual contact.
Stop all engines.
Hit confirmed.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Stop the engines. Establish visual contact. The enemy has been destroyed. The target is within range.
Keeping watch.
Establish visual contact.
Keeping watch.
Torpedo to enemy ship. Missiles launched.
I see a hit on the target.
The target destroyed. Establish visual contact. Captain, tubes ready to fire.
Establishing visual contact.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Target hit.
Keeping watch.
Stand by for action. All hands to battle stations. Missiles launched. Both engines, half speed ahead.
I see a hit on the target. Attention, critical damage to the ship. Our ship is under enemy attack.
Fire at will. Do not wait for command.
Establishing visual contact. Good fight, Captain.